Abalang-abala ka sa maraming mga ginagawa na namimiss mo ang katahimikang nagbibigay buhay, kung saan nakakapahinga ka kahit sandali man lang. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet padasal. That's what happened to Martha, busying herself while Jesus was right there. It reminds us that while helping and serving are good, getting caught up in the chaos can distract us from connecting with what's most important, like spending time with God and learning from Him. It's not about choosing one over the other forever, but recognizing that sometimes, especially when the chance is there, we need to pause the doing and prioritize simply being with God. So, let's check in with ourselves today. Are we so busy that we're missing the chance to sit at Jesus' feet and listen? Manalangin po tayo. Mapagmahal na Diyos, turuan mo kaming balansehin ang aming buhay nang may panahon para sa pag-aabala at may oras para manahimik, magnilay at manalangin. Naway lumalim ang aming pagkakakilala sa iyo at magkaroon ng pagkakataong makinig sa iyong tinig. Amen.